Hello everyone. Today we will explore the process of creating a navigational sitemap for an application in Devum. This tutorial includes creating a new sitemap, adding app navigational endpoints, that is, pages, to the sitemap, and editing or deleting a sitemap. To begin in App Studio, we navigate to Manage Sitemap, located in the top right corner of the interface. Upon entering this section, we are presented with the option to create a sitemap for both web and mobile platforms. We proceed by selecting New Sitemap, triggering a pop-up where we input the display name, sitemap name, and description. For this instance, we specify the display name as HR Management. Upon creating the sitemap header, we can begin adding new menu items. As an example, we have included Leave Dashboard as the first menu item, along with an icon sourced from the resource library. Note that adding a description is optional. Lastly, we designate the page to be sitemapped and save our changes. Next, we will move forward with adding a new menu item called Leave Calendar, which will feature an icon sourced from the resource library. Subsequently, we will align the page on our sitemap and save all the changes made. We will follow the same procedure to create the third new menu item called Leave Approval. This involves including a relevant icon and ensuring that the web page is placed appropriately on our sitemap. You can refer to the video for a visual demonstration of how this is done as the previous two. Following that, we create a new sitemap named HR Management 1 and populate it with two menu items, Leave Calendar and Leave Dashboard. These items are added by selecting the plus symbol to add a new menu item. Subsequently, we provide each item with a display name, upload a suitable icon from the resource library, and map them to the appropriate pages within the site. Now, if needed, we can adjust the names of the sitemap by clicking on the Edit button situated beside it. Otherwise, we also have the choice to delete the sitemap by utilizing the delete symbol. That concludes our discussion on crafting a navigational sitemap. As a bonus tip, I encourage you to give it a try on your own. Thank you for tuning in. Stay connected to our channel for additional insightful videos on Devum.